Yeah, and you never know with a death case as well. You can go through all of that, force the families to go through it. Laura Doerman, is the wife, and she has a daughter who is also involved in this. At the end of the day, jury could easily come back and say no to the death penalty, because it is so difficult to impose the death penalty. And the defense would have been vigorous, bringing up a mental episode. We already saw indications of that going in. We're going to talk about this a little later in the hour with a professional, but in your experience, what's life going to look like for him in prison?
He's going to be on suicide protocol probably for the rest of his life. He's going to be in solitary confinement. They're going to send him to a maximum security prison. He's going to be, so when you visit a prison, there are the inmates that have privileges. They can go to the vending machine. They can have family visit them. He's not going to be in that. He's going to be in a level 5 maximum security prison. He's not going to have any privileges. He's going to be in shackles for the rest of his life, because there's nothing more egregious. Now, he will receive treatment, and there will also be many universities, I think at least 1 or 2 universities, that will want to study his mind in order to see if they can come up with a reason to prevent this from happening in the future, right? If you could get into the mind of an individual like this and see how black and dark the hole is, perhaps you could get mental health treatment for people in the future, because this is not the last time this is going to happen. It's not the first time that could happen. So life for him in prison will be different than any other murderer. He will be a source of study, in my opinion, by at least 1 or 2 universities, some psychiatric wards. People will study this guy, but I think I'm pretty confident his life in prison is going to be the worst type of existence you could have. Death is going to be better than the existence he's going to have, and he's lucky that he didn't get sentenced to death.